Shout out, ito po yung ating update ng ating construction cost of house in the Philippines 2023. So yung bird type po natin is 25,000 per square meter. So example po, no, 50 square meter, imo-multiply mo lang siya sa 25 per square meter. Yun po ang kakalabasan ng ating price ng TCP, yung construction po ng ating house. So polish po siya, concrete. Ayan, concrete po siya, minimal to standard. At yung ating standard naman po, yung ikalawa is 35,000 per square meter. Kung halimbawa po up and down, 100 square meter, imo-multiply mo lang siya sa 35,000 per square meter. So naka-tiles na po siya, paint, standard, gypsum. At yung luxury natin, no, yung medyo mataas-taas ng value, 45,000 per square meter. So, imo-multiply mo lang siya sa 135. Kung floor plan is 135, multiply sa 45,000 per square meter. Tiles, natural stone, imported wall tiles to cladding, at bigger to full window at PVC. At yung iconic natin, yung kakaiba. Natural stone, cladding natural stone, full to double glaze in wood paneling. Iconic po siya is 65,000 per square meter. Mapapabaw ka talaga sa mga design na to. Kaya, don't forget to share.